Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk. Recently, I came across a video with King and Shay of them telling their experiences of a channel that they're operating on the social media platform YouTube, getting multiple strikes in order to shut it down. And we're going to share their story right now on our platform. But before I do that, I just want them to know that they're not the only one that is in that problem. A number of us as YouTubers and creators are being faced with that circumstance in which people are maliciously striking our videos based on, for whatever reason, I don't know. I've been a victim of it many years ago, and even up to now, this week, I've been a victim of it as well. So it's nothing new, and we just have to try our best to see how well we can put our content out there. But you have the people them out there that decide they just want to tear our platform down. I don't know what they will gain from it, because I've lost a massive channel before, and that was due to the same situation that King and Shay face with right now due to multiple strikes, and my loss that channel back in 2017, I believe, and I had to restart over from scratch. And I know that King and Shay as well, they've lost the channel sometime last year, I believe, and they had to restart over, and they came back with a fight and doing their thing. And they are one of the most watched celebrity couples, I should say, on YouTube. And it's very sad to see that someone is trying after them again after they have put so much work and effort into their videos. I don't know what's really going on this thing. However, we're gonna share their story with you on our platform right now. Let's go over to that.
So if you guys did not know why we was not uploading video on YouTube, guys.
Yeah, why we were absent.
Why we was absent.
Yeah,
and off YouTube for 1 week, guys. People is trying to vlog in our videos, guys. They vlog our video 4 times. 4 times, guys. And people didn't know that when you reach a certain level in YouTube do not block your video like that.
No, not with that. Alright. Let me explain now. So, same thing like what happened on the other channel, yes, on our previous channel, King and Shay. We never used to would he explain it? So we used to get strike after
a lot.
People used to flag our videos.
A lot, guys.
YouTube. So, well, then pick it up again, then pick up the habit. So this person just have the time to go way down, to go look some videos. If the person just deliberately look at
guys, I'm gonna explain now. So,
a person deliberately look for videos where them know say YouTube would have strike. So about 4 video YouTube says but this video was flagged to us for review. But that means that somebody vlogged the video.
No, somebody YouTube sent it to us, so somebody vlogged the video.
Then let me just say.
Okay, right, you're right.
And unfortunately, one of the video we got a strike on that one. The other 3, YouTube said there's not, after they reviewed the video, they didn't see anything wrong with it. So the one video that came down was the home invasion one. Somebody got dig up all them video they from how long and go flag them video.
Yeah, and the person who vlogged the video, either the person a YouTuber or the person know about YouTube exactly, because there's no way
that person is definitely a hater.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. What them do, them search for a specific video where them know YouTube, what would I say, YouTube not gonna like.
What go against the community guideline.
What go against the community guideline, right?
And to put this into context now. Context. There are a lot. We watch enough YouTube videos out there, and sometimes when I see the type of video,
with them do the thumbnail, We're afraid of them video, guys. We
But
not.
when we do them the video, the people are flag. What happened to Jamaican people? And anytime we do videos like I do, the Pan King and Shay. You understand me? People might think say we don't understand. We don't understand this. Because yeah, people say we don't understand this about YouTube and we don't understand. Come on. We can read, we definitely understand what we not do or what we not put on YouTube. But people definitely go dig up in a 200 odd video we have.
There's a specific YouTuber where they say that. So we don't know nothing about YouTube, we don't understand nothing about YouTube, and we have whole video can blog. What we don't know about. Alright? So anyway guys, as we say guys, yo, what we doing guys, like guys, if you don't watch a video for we and you don't like it, you know stop watch your channel guys.
Yeah, you know
Stop watching video them. Alright, what we are doing now, we're not doing nothing, we don't hate nobody. We are trying to survive just like a uno to guys. So why you know take the time? If you go up on YouTube and vlog, we visit them, what we do to you know, what we do to you know. Tell me God in the truth guys, what is better you gonna do for you know? When you vlog somebody video, you're not gonna make it a rich.
All the firecracker video, not never do it on King and Shay. YouTube said them flag it.
And River by somebody flag it.
Yeah. It was flagged to us for review. Why them a go through? If you simply don't like we or don't like we content where we are produce, no watch. You understand me? We don't have a problem and everybody we are gonna be able to please.
And you know what YouTube come out with now,
and
guys?
We don't want to please everybody.
Exactly. And guys, so me upset you know, to be honest. So guys, sorry about that. The battery dead. No, the battery dead. Anyway guys.
Well, there you have it. King and Shay, two of the most watched YouTube couples in Jamaica, sharing their experiences as it relates to what they have been going through throughout the past few weeks with their channel getting multiple strikes and had to be taken to YouTube for review. One of those videos they said have so far been removed, and a number of them they had to put on private just in order for the person in question to not try at them again. But when you look on this situation, one in which really needs to be addressed, I don't know why people just try to tear down each other, especially when they're seeing that you are becoming successful. And I know it's our own people doing this to our own race, and maybe it could be even another creator as well trying to tear them down. I'm not sure, but we have seen how it has devastated them before, in which they have lost a previous channel and they had recalibrate and come back, and they came back bigger and better than before. So it's very sad to see that someone would really want to tarnish their thing once more again and try to bring it back down based on the fact that they have garnered over 100,000 subscribers in just a matter of months, and they are one of my favorite couples to watch online as well. So big up King and Shay, much respect goes out to you. But this is very sad to see what is going on here and what people are trying to do to one another based on this YouTube platform and this monetization thing. It's very sad. I can't understand why people don't want to just work together and just try to build this as a unified platform. We have seen how the Americans have done it. They have one of the most successful people on the platform. They don't really try to tear down each other. They just do their thing and just be as successful as they can in their own craft and in their own game. And I can tell you that we have this platform. It's for all of us, and it's a massive platform with thousands, millions of it has been posted on it daily, and it's there for all of us. So I don't see why people are just trying to just fight down each other for what, I don't know. But big up King and Shay, much respect goes out to you as always, and we hope that you just continue to just do your thing and just put in the work. And you just have to be extremely careful at this point in time with the contents that you put out there, especially when you know that someone is just watching for you to make that simple mistake just in order to come at you, and they will come at you very good. We're gonna leave this one here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links of 7 TV, and we'll leave this one here for now. Bless.